Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I am going to talk about Estonia work visa. Estonia is a northern European country with majority of English speaking people, and the country's capital is Tallinn with the population of 1.3 million people. So basically Estonia is a small northern European country with the very less population but a very strong economy and a strong passport of the world. इस वीडियो में मैं हर चीज़ बताऊंगा आपको. पहले मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ रीजन से. उसके पहले मैं बता दूं, इस्टोनिया इज फेसिंग ह्यूज लेबर शॉर्टेज राइट नाउ इन 65 डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स. आते हैं इस वीडियो के टॉपिक पे. उसके पहले मैं अपना एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ. मेरा नाम नितिन कुमार श्रीवास्तव है एंड मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेसिना का स्टूडेंट हूँ एंड मैं स्टडी वीजा, वर्क वीजा एंड ट्रेवल वीजा पे वीडियो बनाता हूँ. अब मैं आता हूँ द फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट रीजन दैट व्हाई यू शुड वर्क इन इस्टोनिया. Estonia is a high income free market economy in the Eurozone, and if I talk about the average salary that you will get in Estonia, that will be 1800 euros per month. So basically, if you are coming to Estonia to doing any sort of professional and skill type of job, so you are going to get 1800 euros per month. This is the average amount, and it can touch like 3000 euros per month. Okay, it will depend on the nature of job. If I talk about unskilled sectors, then you are going to get 1000 euros minimum, and it can reach up to 1800 euros per month. So basically this country is full of financially बहुत ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग है एंड यहाँ पे आप आ सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर आप काम के हवाले से देख रहे हो. The second point will be that professional and skill sectors people has to only work 14 hours per week. 40 सॉरी, और आपको 40 घंटे ही काम करनी है. एंड तीसरा है कि इन कंपेयर ऑफ अदर Schengen zone, Estonia's work permit visa ratio is so much higher because it's a small country with a very small population with a strong fast growing economy, so they need people. So that's why they are not giving a lot of rejections. If you have work permit, if you are doing your everything well, neat and clean, so you will get your work permit for Estonia, the work visa. And the fourth point is that a lot of social benefits like old age pensions, paternity and maternity leave with full salary, even though sick leave. So it's the best country in Eurozone with fully salary. If you have any even problem, you can take leave. So if I go to the fifth point, the fifth point is very interesting because if you are in Estonia, if you are working over there, so after 4 years, you can apply for the PR of Estonia, and it's very easy to get Estonian PR as country is having a very less amount of population, so they also want to make their country bit populated and to grow their human power force. So it's very easy to get PR over there. And country ranked 9th for Human Development Index in the entire world. And the best part about Estonia is that if you will be over there, if you will work over there, if you will live permanently over there, so you will get free education and health care for your family. And also you can get the 6th strongest passport of the world, and you can travel 176 countries with Estonian passport once you will get the Estonian passport. Now I'm going to tell the sectors to work. So in Estonia, if you are coming, then there are two types of sectors. Obviously in entire Europe, in Italy, in other countries, there are two types of sectors. The first one is skilled and professional. The second one is unskilled. So I'm going to tell you the professional and skilled jobs over in Estonia. The first one is IT engineer. Second one is civil engineer, system analyst, software developers, teachers, nursing professionals, business sectors professionals. So these are some of the prominent professional and skilled sector jobs in Estonia. And I've talked about the unprofessional sector jobs in Estonia is the farm workers, truck drivers. If you are having an international truck driving license from, then you can apply for Estonian truck driver job too. And Estonia needs mechanics, fitters, metal workers, welders, painters, security guards and construction worker. So ये सारे जॉब इस्टोनिया में अवेलेबल है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिमांड है. As in the very beginning I told you, this country is facing huge labor shortage right now. Okay, and look, there is a prominent and a very very influential job portal for applying jobs in Estonia. So I will put the link of that job portal in the description. You can check over there. आप जाके description check करो, वहाँ आपको मिल जाएगा. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो आपको चाहिए अप्लाई करने के लिए एस्टोनियन वर्क। तो बेसिकली द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट यू नीड टू अप्लाई फॉर एस्टोनियन वर्क परमिट आर first your passport, and you have to do PCC of your passport. That is very compulsory, so make sure that you are doing PCC of your passport. Okay, उसके बाद आपको वीजा एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म पर फिल करना होगा और आपको फी पे करना होगा जो कि 100 यूरोस तक होती है। ठीक है, जब आप VFS एम्बेसी में जाओगे डालने, VFS में जाओगे आप डालने अपना एस्टोनियन वर्क वीजा। साथ में आपको अपनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेटर लेके जाना है जो आपको वर्क परमिट मिली है, स्पॉन्सरशिप लेटर जो कह लो, और कभी कभी एम्प्लॉयर स्पॉन्सरशिप लेटर भी देते हैं, एकोमोडेशन का आपका वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उसकी भी प्रूफ देते हैं, तो वो भी लेके जाना है। आपको फ्लाइट टिकट दिखानी है, आप डमी भी दिखा सकते हो, बट आप अगर चाहो तो ओरिजिनल भी दिखा सकते हो। एंड यू हैव टू शो द इंश्योरेंस दैट शुड कवर 30,000 यूरोज मिनिमम कवरेज। एंड उसके बाद आपको आपके पास अगर आपकी एजुकेशनल कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो भी लगा सकते हो, अटैच कर सकते हो। इफ यू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग how to say sorry, you have to submit a very strong motivation letter. Okay, and along with that you have to submit your CV, your job experience letter if you have any job experience letter. So you have to submit all those things with a passport size photo. So these are the required documents for the Estonian work permit. These are the most important, and if there will be any documents that I have missed in this video, then I will definitely try to put in the description. But as far as I know, I have covered all documents that required for the Estonian work visa application. Okay, so और इंडिया में सिर्फ एक ही जगह से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, न्यू दिल्ली से, बट यू कैन ट्राई टू अदर VFS if they will accept, otherwise you have to come to New Delhi to apply your Estonian work visa. तो मैंने आपको वीडियो में हर चीज़ अच्छे से बता दी, हर चीज़ एक्सप्लेन कर दी। ओके, एंड आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो। If you like the video, please do hit subscribe button and comment करो and वीडियो को शेयर करो, and see you guys